Hola bafethu, sanibonani. This is your boy King Shamase, ukhuleka nokaMkhwanazi. Welcome to another episode. I think episode yesithathu le if I'm not mistaken. Kwi-show yethu on a podcast setup ebizwa ngokuthi Have a Coffee with Me. Njengoba nazi-ke bafethu ukuthi la it's all about a business. It's a business engagement setup whereby we used to do ama-engagement isi-invite osomabhizinisi sixoxe, and then we converted the idea to the podcast session whereby sibuka ukuthi ku-more powerful if siba nama-one-on-one with osomabhizinisi. Sisakhona-ke Shadows, shout out to Dr. Nqetho for giving us the platform ukuthi sikwazi ukusakazela khona la. And thanks to Nelani for his support asinike yona from last year siqala lapha eWoolies Grab a Bite eWoolies bani kasi bite lamagama semaningi balapha e-shopping center bafethu kadabe ka-A go support khona nje konke ukudla kwaselokishini okushapu also nezinto zasendlini. Phinde sibonge lapha ochule IT for sponsoring our shows since siqalile ngo-2024. Sibonge i-K2K, sibonge inkosi uThicaba uPrince la desixhase khona nge-Angel Factor. Nibonile amanye ama-show esiqale ngawo. So lento it's all about business ke good people. Namhlanje ngihleli nenye guest yami sengizoyeka leti ngiyazi ukuthi it's all about itiye kodwa ningayibuki ngathi netiye phakathi because ngathi ngiletha abantu engibaziyo more. It's easy to engage, but nawe ngisho kuthuke phi la ukhona ungasondela ungasibhalela kuma comments. This is a platform for you ukuthi inspire others, amanye ama-hustler, and also umarket what you are doing la uyenza khona. Sise Claremont ke thina cela ukuthula i-guest yami uMaNtuli namhlanje. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
All right.
Right.
Yo, anganothi ngithini. Fethu cela utshela ababukele emakhaya ukuthi ubani nje from amagama akho lawa e-ID.
Mina ngunokubonga Ntuli, grow up eClaremont, studied eSithengile. Everything I do now it's based in Claremont. My business called Sky Blue. I manufacture and customize the school uniform in all type of way. So now I'm based in Claremont, Uguzazi Road, opposite garage. It's where my workshop is at.
Yeah, shout out to you, man. After some years, bruh. Ngisho ukuthi yibo ngikubone nini konje, but benganakile ukuthi we are friends on Facebook, yabo.
Yeah, we are.
I'm like, damn man, because i-account yami ngayiqala kabusha. Yayinguba konje ngisakhumbula before, but ngalishintsha lento yokukhula ngathi ngifaka amagama ami epass njengoba enjalo, if you've noticed.
I remember you were Shakes.
Yeah,
Shake something.
It's a Shake something account. So mangithi ngiya-check out lokho ngibona ama-reels lapha like how uMaNtuli uyaphusha la kwi-hustle, but I remember kancane lento e-fashion wawuyithanda, yabo.
Yeah,
Back in the days,
I used to schooling.
Yeah.
I was popular by my drawings. Yes. People know me about my drawings, and then I decided to take it to another level. All the time it's less manufacturer, I'm a white, all this kind of race. While Tina Singawent, so I take upon myself. It's okay. No, me, it's a difficult industry. I really don't want to lie, but when you commit yourself again. Because it's been a while working with, especially Umqhele. Umqhele is one of the school I showcased my talent where I designed the uniform from scratch. The one that they're having now is the one that was designed by me through sketches and the manufacture also.
Yes.
So I'm also looking forward to expanding Sebenza nezinye izikole that's around Claremont who's going to support black businesses, and then we'll take it from there.
Shout out to you, man, for doing it big. Ngiyasho ukuthi cha sonke siqale sincenga lapha. So from your primary level wafunda lapha?
Etshelile.
Wafunda eChelile.
Everything is around Claremont.
Mina ngifunda eVezamafa then.
Yeah.
Sihlale eFenel.
Sihlale eFenel. Yes, safunda sonke sithengile.
Safunda sonke sithengile.
Yeah.
Esithengile bowenza amaphondo ama-subjects.
Did business studies.
Business studies.
Yeah, and history.
Lento le you knew ukuthi business uzophelela kuyona. noma wabona sekwenzeka after matric ukuthi-
No, it's not after matric. I knew ukuthi I wanted to become a designer. It's
Yeah.
just that abantu sometimes mobile they find it so difficult and also to believe ukuthi why you ufuna ukuba a design. But slowly but surely, luckily to my dad, he believed ukuthi I can do it.
Yeah.
And then he invested lokho okuncane and then I took it to the next level because the first school that really did give me a chance like Clermont, it was Patel.
Okay.
I remember my jacket ngithi mangwabuka ngithi yo Nkosi, but they did, and then after ke kwabe sithengile, then I grew from there. Yebo.
Hey, it's crazy because most of the time ama-subjects esiwachuzayo esiyingane safuna ukuthi masikhula sibe iphoyisa sazi ukuthi izona zinto ey'nkulu kunesi ube yini.
Yeah.
And then ishintsha nini kanjani because lento ye-passion it's hard ukuthi abantu abasuduze kwakho bakusupporte ngayo ngoba i-vision isuke ingabonakali.
Yeah.
Yabona ukukhuluma kufani nokwenza. So our parents mostly awasupport. So for you were fortunate ukuthi i-time liyizwe noma liyibone mhlambe wakubona naye useza ukuthi hayi khona la uyakhona.
No, he did see it, but noma wayibukela kude, but he did give me a chance. Yabo, because I didn't want to lie. I did philosophy in studies. Angiqedanga. I never did something different. I did yona. But my main aim was to build with fashion because everything I remember when in grade 12 I designed the jacket and the jacket yami didn't pass. And I was angry because kwa pass the jacket here copied it somewhere and I know who was the designer for the jacket. So I took it myself you know let them and I will prove them wrong. Look at me today. I did prove. Ngiprove abantu who no longer exist.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, it's a great thing to start your own thing, even though with difficulty. But day by day, nenye into ke sometimes pressure ngiba nayo get maybe ama client were disappointed by abanye ama client, so to convince them.
Kulungisa leyo nto leyo.
Yeah, it's one of a challenge engike ngibhekane nayo ukuthi ke to convince umuntu ukuthi uphoqo sibanibani and now he's coming to your business, you're gonna get good quality na yonke. It's a challenge.
It's crazy, bruh. And that's common most kuma businesses wenzayo because we face that a lot demand. So lokuthi says ama damage control yendaweni that they don't believe ukuthi uzosubmit because most of videographers abawuletha umsebenzi after bewenzile. So lo muntu usuke mengobhozo first akafuna ukufaka i-deposit ngoba manje yayibona leyo nto to secure the dates and all. It's crazy.
It's a typical example. I'm not gonna say a name or anyone, but beginning of the year khona isikole sike sangenza isilos. But ngiya understand at times noma it was hard ukuthi labantu ade besupply they give them challenges. But until give them some time to conclude whatever but deal and I can then we revisit my issue with okay after I have bought the material and everything, how do we look forward? But a business and it's always those challenges. It's just that sometimes what is so pity, people doesn't want to give us a chance. We here, we young, we know the business now. We've been in the game. It's kati. People around us, like in Klezing, it's why people they moving their business, especially because of Clermont, they moving to go Yaga Chem. I'm here. I'm here. I got the equipment. I got the stuff. I can do umsebenzi. Just come and give me a shot, and then we'll take it from there. Do I disappoint you? Do I deliver in what is happening? And then, impili qhubeke. Let's move everything around our community rather than take it out from the community. Yona gi challenge engiyibona bakhona. Yeah, we ended up sithungela ikole ezikombumbulu somewhere far, but zikhona around Clermont, and you ask yourself, it's why?
Yeah. Istigma leso engazi nami so cleanwa kanjani kodwa ngoba sisendleleni yokuzama ukuyilungisa leyo nto because I think if ethi ungasekhaya you are not that gold in the dust. Nami nje I can testify ngasekhaya angaze ngisebenze. I think one of few gigs athola lapha eMlazi nase Chatsworth njengoba uchaza ikola ngazi ingaki and sesihambelile sizama ukuyilekelela ngama community development amaningi but lama services wenzayo I'm sure abantu ababenzela these school cards photos and stuff akubona abantu bala and I've heard one of the schools last year khona la eduze baba ne challenge whereby umuntu abamkhokhela imali abangamazi bashaya wachitha and then manje sekuhard yabo but besikhona besazi ukuthi sikhona and we are capable so it's hard ukuthi umuntu ungene emqondweni wakhe noma mhlawumbe i-leadership iyafuna but i-board ngithi no SGB noba mhlawumbe you don't convince them enough. I don't know.
I believe it's all about convincing enough. Nokunye people must not judge bengakasiboni because usually these other races they do offer something back maguti you have a business. We also as black people we can offer something back as long if it is over transparent. Exactly. Yes. Nokuthi you cannot tell me ukuthi unganginikeza umsebenzi ka 5 years and then I'm not bringing anything back to the school. Impossible. Yeah. It's just that is the time of let's negotiate sihlale phansi and check thoroughly. Yes. Kungabi ukuthi it's about greed. Fanele kube into yami noma ufike nobani. No. Business is about helping to each other, especially the community. It's about giving and then you also give back. Exactly. So but to trust one another, it's a challenge. That's why sometimes there's one president Zuma wathi fanele ube neNdiya lakho because people take you a little bit serious because you have other race that you introduce.
Abayisabayo.
Yeah.
Because it's all about lokho bayisaba lezi zinginhlanga. Mhlambe nasi singisi challenge because kokunye ungakwazi ukuphendula umuntu ekhulumele
uvume yes yeah lonto ke
mina ngizwa kanje uyakwazi ukumchallenge
nenye challenge ke wena esibuye sibe nabo umuntu when he look at you your face expression at awu kanti ngani it's not about my face okay my face doesn't grow but it's about the work that I'm capable of ukuthi what do I offer you do I offer you quality do I offer you into engeke ibe quality and then
it's all about the service the delivery
but not personal khona kuyi challenge to run a business to the black community angifuni ukama it's a challenge
crazy mfethu sithi sifika sesifuna ukunegotiate singakayitholi nokuthi lento ibiza malini asena mali sibebe so nje it's crazy so what can you say mfethu kwabanye abantu abasha ababukela lapha ekhaya abafisa ukungena noma sebeqalile kodwa ngathi bagida ndawonye kulento ye-fashion because ama category awafani fashion it's wide yabo but you chose your path mhlawumbe sibe specific kulaba abalandela what you are doing naba inspired
fashion abroad khona the MC khona the textile khona only the fabric testing ihlukene ngama khona abama graphics who doesn't even know how do you lay the material how do you put this together kuya ngawo ukuthi which department ofuna ungena kuyona even though phela typically ukuthi manje people they've been offered kakhulu theory rather than practical but it depends onto engayisho ukuthi terms of capital esikuyona nesimo sempilo esikuyona abantu they must try to create into yabo ukuthi create your own thing that gonna define you create your own job ukuthi wena ube umsebenzi wena yes it's hard but zama create into yakho ngoba manje if you said uyofuna umsebenzi let's look at the point what happened on COVID-19 how many people has lost their jobs so sekunzima but to have a vision start with the dedication first before anyone believe or you believe to yourself dedication once you are dedicated to what you do to get clients is not easy but once you get them maintain them that's all I say while you maintain them you're good to go
exactly it's not about a big number of clients but laba bawu2 if wenza into yabo yaqonda and make ama relationship akuma long term
yeah because you know I do a school uniform others they do customize dresses I don't post them that much but it's a word of mouth ukuthi I saw you dressing at some point and tell the other person and they come over and do the dresses so leonto it's about dedication oyinikeza umsebenzi wakho you know when you're given a chance just hit it to the spot
Shuthi nje kulonyaka iDurban July sobe sigqoke kwena ngoba siyabuyela.
July is too tricky to enter. But ke
so qoka wena sebeyosibuza phambili ukuthi who's design it is. But yasabona lapha yana mawuqala ngazi le yanto kodwa mele mhlambe sicheck khona so share ama details. Lese ekuqaleni earlier la begqoka khona it's a fashion man. Bunama prizes lapha yana abantu begqoka izinto Msangano. Kodwa because it's about art, angithi.
Yes, it's about art. When you, if
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's all kind of, I'm all basic. I only like to mix colors, but I keep it classy and basic. I don't complicate things.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
I don't do lendama complicated stuff. No, I just
Kodwa kusahambeki manje sesimarobot kunezinto ezicijile la.
But see, sometimes those dramatic, it's over one performance show,
Yeah.
just the dress code you could
Yeah,
wear once.
yeah, bo.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
I prefer to sometimes. So, but in abanye, if you pass more pink, I would tell you so nazim no, that's the statement which you own the clothes more pink. I mean, I take it like that. If you more pink, you own it. Are we bolega and just dress it once and then you pass by?
I feel you. Okay, to fashion, kodwa wena into zakho ziyalinka because as much as you are doing the history kodwa wenza business studies, of which right now you are in business and wawungaze ekugcineni ukuthi uzoba usomabhizinisi. So now ulandela i-passion of i-art lo yenzayo. So mhlambe singathini lento it needs you ukuthi uyoyifundela noma it's something akumele uzalwe nayo and then you follow.
I think it's a bit of both. I think fanele uzale nayo uphinde futhi uyifunde. I can say thanks to one teacher who's from the business studies, God forbid, I say, who was Mr. Taylor.
Yes.
He will take you inside the business when you're outside the business, and then you really see. And then to do history, it helped me before I do this. What was my target market? It gave me the big, because at first I really don't want to lie. I was more focused with fashion. I was fashion one way, but I sit down and stabilize. It's like, okay, fashion comes and goes with season. What stay longer? And then I like school uniform. Every year they're always there. And the schools, they never move, they never shift. The teachers are always there, the kids are born every year. So that's why I said, okay, let me diverse. Have something now that is stable, that's gonna last me longer. I'm focused on more in school uniform. But it's a vision that have to stay within you, and then you believe, and then you're born with it, and then you do it.
That's crazy. So how long it takes you when the
Jacket. It doesn't take much. It depends on the orders that I have. Unless if I'm gonna say I'm gonna design something new. You know, there's one jacket I saw for my brother. It took me like 2 days. It have armor details because it was a denim with a little bit lines, but usually a day take an hour.
Bafethu sesibuyile itolo ukuthi siphazamiseke niyazi se-South Africa ngane load shedding, so we experienced nje ama-glitch amancane lapha at the back. Besakhuluma ke uMantuli, ngithanda ukubiza ngoMantuli akanoma i-age yini.
It proved a point to say high school down.
So bethu busayichaza le kade I was asking ukuthi thatha isikhathi singakanani for you to make one garment or jacket?
No, it's only take an hour. If it's just the simple jacket, it's take an hour. It's go with experience, you know. Once you learn terms of speed, in terms of working in bulk, unless when you're bored, you said you want to take this in full detail, you can take the whole day. Yeah. But if you're working with always in bulk, you ended up calculating, it's okay, a day if I can make 10 or 15, I'm fine.
It means shooting a more supplier a number of like school, it's a whole year.
It's not a whole year. If my supply is school, for a typical example, I usually start production ngabo September. Yeah. Because usually they're accepting and is close to 200. So I will simply start with making ties, 200 ties, or presently it's 250 ties. Out of the blue for emergencies. So I start by September. Come December, I have to be done with the production. Come January, I'm open up for sales.
Okay.
But he open up for sales in Jan. Squeezer in sometimes they little bit big. They are too tiny, they are too short. Yeah. So I customize. Yeah, for that one you have to come for measurements and then I customize for it.
Okay. All right. Mfethu currently khona lento etrendayo ne. As umuntu we-fashion ke, but I just need your take ukuthi wena uyibuka kanjani. This thing of njengoba ngathi kunama fights between amazwe. America, China, South Africa namanye. So manje kuvela le ukuthi iChina expose ukuthi these brands are from that side. Mhlambe le yanto ngiyabona abantu abaningi ukuthi ibashintsha umqondo ukuthi value of the product bayibuke ukuthi ikanjani. What do you say about branding nje mhlambe ukuthi angazi lento ufuna
No, but I have seen very good it has changed because to be honest, China has manipulated the production industry. Especially in South Africa, many factories have shut down because of China. They don't. It depends. It's not. I don't want to say they don't care about equality, but they different equality. There's a quality and a quantity. But that's what you buy from these expensive brands from China. It might be possible because they are able to sell. Online, they say buy t-shirts in bulk and also do this and edit it and then go buy log. But a typical example, this famous brand, Louis Vuitton, Gucci band, they're from Kenya. Check the history. They were designed original from Kenya. They were stole from South African countries and then. So, Kona we make fun. It's one and the same. I mean, the only thing I care about is equality. I don't care about anything else. What I believe ukuthi ingane ikwazi ukushiyela enye ingane ijacket yesikole. Even though it creates a little bit of loss of me, but to those disadvantaged home, if ijacket yami can ushiyela ubhuti wakho, I'm sorted.
I feel you. So lento lena kahle ithi brand. It's mostly into engashintsheki lento isuse from scratch. Because most manje ezenza we buy t-shirts,
we print them
and then say we product.
So we print.
Kanti when uqala into from scratch
and then build it
and specific to umuntu othile emzimbeni othile.
Yes.
And then it's unique ngaleyo ndlela. I think now ayibo. Ngiyakutshela. Kumnandi bethu kuba nento yakho ukuba nje unique uyazi ukuthi izinto zenza somewhere mhlawumbe because of time I hope sazofika ngelinye ilanga I think kuningi samele sikuxoxe so ke sakha phezulu today but nje ngicela laphayane ku TV utshela abantu ukuthi utholakalaphi and ama-order wathatha kanjani, how do you work?
Okay, as I said, I'm based in Claremont and Zazi Road, opposite Garage. A company I'm busy Sky Blue. Lela lokubonga ntuli, they don't usually use it. Abantu abaningi now they know me about Sky. And opposite Garage, and my WhatsApp number is only for WhatsApp. It's 079 10 46067. Can I say it again? 079 10 46067. And then for calls, it's 083 288 3903. 083 288 3903. I'll also take the individual orders. If you want to place some individual orders, I'll also do lendiama sampling and other stuff more for you want to show something different, especially ektungwen. I do it. I don't specify uniform pale. No. If the uniform season go down, then just right now I'm busy with the metric jacket. If that season is over, then we'll go back to umswenko. Until the uniform come back to life again.
No man, siyabonga kakhulu ngizwile inamba le yokuqala ka WhatsApp business business.
I want to be specific on which garage you're talking about.
Claremont. Yes.
Oh, baba nje la garage Caltex.
Total. Yes.
Oh yeah. Leli nje elibambe.
Oh, kambuza zero to hambuza uphelele. Oh. Oh, rank. Yeah.
Mfethu la sikhona lapho bafethu please support kakhulukazi sithanda ke ngathi ngeza ama-order amakhulu more to extend. I think usiswami la will have nayo ukuthi akwazi uku-employer abanye abantu abasha abakule space if nina nimnikeza umsebenzi siyanxusa nje ngomoya wenkonzo noma besingayile ephasikeni but abantu base Claremont bafethu basilekelele njengoba nathi sizama ukwenza. We have a campaign that we are running whereby sinikeza ingane zesikole ngezicathulo. Nakhona nje sike sithi abafowethu abafana nani nodadewethu basilekelele minimum kuba u250 donation. Because siyakwazi sithengela ama Hennessy ngo5 clip. So 250 yakuzuhlule ukunikeza ingane nje mfethu isithathule sinembobo somewhere. Nathi sibile ingane siyawazi ama challenge. Ugqoka ijezi
elibhobokile.
Yabo. So just give someone without thinking ukuthi uzoba umuntu omazi. But okwamanje I think sinecathulo ezu6 left. Sino size 13, size 5, size 2. Yeah, khona ku unisex okwazi ukuthi ugqoke ngapha ntombazane nomfana.
Okay.
So please support the movement bafethu lekelele nje umuntu ongathathi intweni bese silekelele somabhizinisi wethu la we all about black empowerment and business. Siyabonga kakhulu.
No problem. Bonga mina.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.